Hi guys, to do today's lesson you're going to need to go to your Clever page. So go to Clever and then you're looking for TCI. Click on TCI. Next you're going to select American Indian Cultural Regions. And for today's work, your job is to read through this selection. Look through the pictures, read the vocabulary, and right down here you're going to see some boxes. Where in the United States would you find each of these types of sports equipment? Write a sentence below each picture to explain your answer. So where would you find this in the United States? Where would you find a surfboard? Where would you find skis? In these boxes, write down where in the United States you think you would find those equipment. Then, on the map, draw a symbol for each of the piece of equipment to show where it would be used. Make a key for the map. So you have drawing tools up here. You can draw like a surfboard maybe if you wanted to draw a surfboard right there. Don't forget to make the key right down here where you're using that same symbol and writing about what that symbol means. And then in the bottom over here, you're going to click Turn In when you're done. Okay. And that is today's lesson. So read through this. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, you can listen to it if you'd like to by clicking play.
American Indian Cultural Regions. How and why did American Indian Cultural...
You can also change it to Spanish. And it will also read it to you. Okay, you can also use highlights. You can look at the different, you can highlight the text. You can add notes. You can also see the main ideas. The main ideas are posted, once you click that box, they will be turned into dark blue for you to see the main ideas of the text. That's all. Thanks.